Hi, I'm Samantha Nicole Villarante from N27. So for now, we are going to discuss a chapter 6, Python function. So before we, saan nga pa nanggaling ang Python function? So from itself, Python, numerous functions like print are an integral part of Python and are always available without any additional effort on behalf of the programmer. We'll call this function built-in function. Function. A function can return data as a result. A function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. And also, you can pass data, no parameters into a function. So, let's see the example. So, look at this. This is the example of function. Print when you want something like this. Print close and open parentheses and quotation. Inside the quotation, you can put your whatever you want sentence like this. Hello world. And then input when you want to read the value of a variable. So like this. When it's coupled with it's either int or float. So what is float or int? Int is an integrated technique for converting a number or text to an integer. Float is to translate value into floating point numbers using a function or usable code in the Python computer language. This is what the simplest function definition looks like. So def, function name, open and close parentheses, function but. Sometimes, may nangyayari talaga na may mga particular na ilang piece sa code kaya kailangan yun para hindi yun nauulit. It is always start with the word def, stands for definition. The function name appears next after def. The rules for naming variables are and function are same. So, pares na sila. Yan. Def message, open and close parenthesis, colon, then print, open and close parenthesis, then quotation. Inside the quotation is enter a value. Sorry. Though very basic, the function is totally functional. Although we've given in the name message, you are free to change it wherever you prefer. Kung anong gusto nyo, pwede nyo ipalit dito sa enter a value. Kahit anong ilagay nyo dyan, okay lang. So next, this is how function works. So yeah, look at this picture. So starts with def message, open and close parentheses, then colon, and then followed by print, open and close parentheses with quotation, and enter next value. Then print again, dito ka na mag-start ng gagawin mo. So, yan. Message, open and close parentheses, then print again. Tapos, dito mo na i-end yun kapag natapos ka na. So, yeah, this is how function works. So, it tries to show you the whole process. When you invoke a function, Python remembers the place where it happened and jumps into invoke function. So, remember that Python remember the place where it happened. So, alam niya kung saan nangyari or saan ka papunta, ganun, para invoke yung function. Reaching the end of the function forces Python to return to the place directly after the point on invocation. There are two very important catches. So, first, you mustn't invoke a function which is not known at the moment of invocation. So remember, Python reads your code from the top to bottom. It's not going to look ahead in order to find the function you forgot to put in the right place. So right means before invocation. And the second, you mustn't have in a function and a variable of the same name. So, yun. Hindi sila pwede ng pare sila ng function and variable na pares pangalan. So, next. Parameterized function. A parameter is actually a variable, but there are two important factors that make parameters different and special. So first, parameters exist only inside function in which they have been defined. And the only place where the parameter can be defined is a space between a pair of para- paran- parentheses in the def statement. Second, assigning a value to the parameter is done at the time of the function invocation by specifying the corresponding argument like this. Def function, open and close parenthesis, parameter, semicolon, colon, like that. So, parameterized function, continue a function, can have as many parameters as you want. Kahit ilan na gusto mo, okay lang. But the more parameters you have, the harder is to memorize their rules and purpose. So, kahit gano'ng kadami, okay lang. Kaso nga lang, ikaw din ang mahihirapan. Kasi, so, yan. Example. This also means that invoking the function will require two arguments. The first, new parameters is intended to carry the name of the desired value. So like this. See the example. Def message, open and close parentheses, what, and comma, number, sprint, so on and so on. So positional parameters passing, a technique which assign the it first, second, and so on argument to the it first, second, and so on function parameter is called positional parameters passing, while argument passed in this way are named positional arguments. So like this, def may function, open and close parenthesis, ABC, kung anong ilalagay nyo dito. Yun. Print, may function. So, this is how it looks like. Yan. So, introduction. Open close pa rin. First name. So, first name, James. And the last name is Bang. And the second one is una naman is last name, Skywalker. And first name is Luke. First, you can pass information to function by using parameters. Your function can have as many parameters as you want. So, information can be passed into function as arguments. So, like this, def, height, then name, then print, hi, kung anong gusto niyo sabihin. Like, hi, hello, like that. So, pag niran mo siya, dapat ganito kalalabasan niya. Like, kunyari, hi, Sam, or hi, Greg, like this. So, you can pass arguments to function using the following techniques. Positional argument passing in which the order or argument pass matters. Keyword name arguments passing in which the order of arguments passed doesn't matter. A mix of positional and keyword argument passing. Like para say kanina, na information can be passed into function as argument. So like this. Then, marami pang example, but this is the one that I have. Like def, subtract, like this. So, print, AB, kung ano ilalagay mo dyan, make, then pag niran, kailangan yung subtract, then output. So, that is all. So, I hope that na may natutunan kayo sa akin. Sana, pero, and I'm Samantha Nicole Villarante from N027, and that's all.